Well, it is going to be very exciting to set this spacecraft down on the comet, and Rosetta is not going to survive the landing. It's going to crash into the comet at a very sedate pace, about 90 centimeters per second, a walking pace, but it's a spacecraft that was never designed to do that. Moreover, as soon as its high-gain antenna tilts more than 1 degree off of Earth pointing, that'll be it for communications. So it's going to be an exciting mission end all the way down. It's going to be checking out this pit on the comet that they've seen in the sides of it, these goosebump features. Earlier in the mission, they called them dinosaur eggs, and they think that possibly it's a relic of how the comet initially formed in the first place, which would be a very cool thing to check out.
Extremely exciting. And these are called active pits. What do they mean by that?
Well, they seem to be places where the comet has cometary activity, where you see comet jets coming out periodically. They're actually going to put the spacecraft down in a relatively flat area between two pits, one of them which is no longer active and one of them active. So they're going to be able to compare and contrast the two things.
How close to the comet do they think they're going to be able to get and still return some pictures, some data?
Well, they should be returning data all the way down. It's going to be a little difficult because the comet is actually very near solar conjunction, meaning that it's close to the sun in the sky and it's at its maximum distance from Earth. So the data rate is not very high. They're working out right now how to just collaborate among all the instruments to get the most they possibly can out of this last final science opportunity for Rosetta.